Hello everyone. So we have 4 divided by 1/2 times 2. Most people get this completely wrong. So now try to pause the video and try it for yourself. Let's see if you can get it right. So we have 4 divided by 1/2 times 2. Many students look at this and think, oh, this is easy. They cancel the 2's in the denominator with the 2 at the end. So they get 4 divided by 1, which equals 4. This answer is completely wrong. And if you got 4, don't worry, you're not alone. In this expression, we have 1 division and 1 multiplication. And here's the golden rule. Multiplication and division have equal priority, so we must work from left to right. First, we tackle 4 divided by 1/2. Keep the first number, 4, change division to multiplication, 4 times, flip the second fraction, 2 over 1. So now we have 4 times 2 over 1, which gives us 4 times 2 equals 8. So now we have 8 times 2, which equals 16. So the correct answer is 16 and not 4. Thank you and have a nice day.